Hi everyone, Nancy with that Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. I almost slept. So I am going to make homemade green goddess dressing and Thousand Island dressing. And I'm changing up a little bit because of the dairy free and the avocado we have. So for the green goddess, I smashed up my avocado. I'm going to add, it's anywhere from a half a cup to a cup, and I'll list everything that I'm using down below, give y'all the recipes, because I like to change things up. So I'm just going to add my mayonnaise until what I want it to be like. So let me show y'all what I'm doing. I'll make sure the camera doesn't fall. There we go. So I put 2 heaping teaspoons of mayonnaise in there. I'm going to mix this up. See what kind of consistency it is. So I think that looks good for right now. Now I only had a little small avocado, so I can't add too much mayonnaise. So I would say probably 1/4 of a cup or less. Now I'm going to add I would say a teaspoon of olive oil in there. Get that going. So when you think of dressing, you think of it, you know, when you pour out of the bottle and everything. Then I'm going to add some red wine vinegar. Just a couple of dashes. They call for, some people used white wine vinegar or other vinegars. I'm using what I have on hand. So, this is going to be a good consistency. You can add more like olive oil if you're using that. If you want kind of more of a runny, well, pourable, not horrible, pour, like you pour it out of the bottle type consistency. And there we go. And it can be used as a dip, a sauce. So I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, probably like a half a teaspoon of parsley. And the same thing with chives, like half a teaspoon, because these things are big. And then I'm going to add my onion and garlic and a little bit of salt. Add that to it. And now we're going to taste test it. So come on for the ride, back up. Let's sit down. Whew. Whee. And my hair is kind of like being wild today. So here's my green goddess dressing. It's more of a thicker side. And also, let's see how this tastes. There we go. I can eat that just like that. That's really good. Oh, that was a chive. Alright, so probably a little bit more salt is what needed added to it. I was thinking I said salt. And I know some people have put pepper in it or something other like that. And there's all kinds of ways to make it. But that's the way I made mine. And then they have yogurt and all kinds of different things. So I'm like, okie dokie. So now on to the Thousand Island dressing. Alright. So, we're going to get another spoon. Use the big one. So, I'm just going to do that's probably like, that's like a half a cup. We'll say that. Alright. Oh, you can also add basil to the green goddess. So, with Thousand Island, it's almost making like you would make me the consistency like deviled eggs almost. Because you use mayonnaise, and you have relish in it. I need some more relish. Let's stir this up. Now, like I said, now people have seen basic recipes of using ketchup. I am not going to use ketchup because if you look on the bottle of Thousand Island dressing, one of the things they have in it is turmeric. So we're going to use a pinch of turmeric. That's about it. And my garlic and onion and salt. So yeah, Thousand Island is known for its orange color. And then I'm going to add a little bit of mustard to mine. Maybe a little bit more. Whee! So you can add the ketchup to get that reddish orange tint to it. Mustard makes it more yellow. So let's taste test this one and let's see what we come up with. That's good. Now, it doesn't really taste like the Thousand Island has that punch to it. So I'm gonna add some red wine vinegar to it. Give it another stir here. Alrighty. So I see that's more like, you know, like a consistency that you want. That definitely, oh yeah, that tastes, makes a difference. Alright, so we're going to see this makes it more orangey color. Because I add a little bit more turmeric. Oh yeah. And like I said, I don't use ketchup that much. I use it once in a while, but I didn't want to use it in my dressing. Then once I start growing tomatoes and all, then we'll make ketchup with homegrown tomatoes. But so here's the consistency of that. That's good. I like that. So there you go. Those are my two dressings that I made. This is with a collab with Heather from Milk and Honey Homestead. I will put her links down below and the hashtag about salad dressings and homemade salad dressings and stuff and everything. And it's like, this is good. Now, you probably could add, like, you know, if you want some herbs or other stuff in here, or more salt. I just kind of make it, you know, like a low salt type thing so that other people can have it. And to me, the pickles, the relish, I only have 60 grams. 60. So, you know, that's, you know, good and low. So, there we go. Our Greek goddess dressing and a Thousand Island dressing. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. The links are here and here, and there's links down below. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.